Welcome back to Wizard or Prophet. Glad you're with me. Today we are going to continue our T-handle series, and this is going to be kind of an unboxing. You'll remember several videos ago at the beginning of the series, I did an unboxing of the Tusk spinning T-handle that comes apart. That is both a 3/8 and a 1/4, and spun around like that. And this was a kind of a pass for me. It was $20 and it wobbles like all heck. And it was more expensive to send back than it was to keep. This was $20, and and of course you can go back and look at that video, but it arrived all scratched up. So the other thing I got in that order though was another Tusk tool, and I'm hoping you can see it's all sealed, and of course I'm hoping that this is good. I think I paid, these are a spinning T-handle wrench set, and it's a Torx version. At least that's what I hope it is. It does not, right here, T-handle Torx, made in Taiwan. Well, it's made in Taiwan, hopefully that's a little bit better. It is red for whatever reason. Maybe that's just the Tusk colors, is black and red. You know, unfortunately, black and red, they're not German-made tools. But I don't think I know of any German-made tools that are still black and red. Anyway, that's beside the point. Let us see. So I thought it would be interesting because I've been using the other T-handles, 3/8 and these 1/4 bit T-handles that I use with various sockets, that it would be nice to have on the workbench a dedicated set just for Torx, because I use Torx on my BMW motorcycles all the time. The whole bike is put together with Torx basically. And so I thought, well, let's instead of pulling this out, have a dedicated set on my workbench, and that way I'm not having to find bits and stick them together and put the T-handles together, and we're going to open this together. Now, I'm hoping this is good, because according to Rocky Mountain ATV-MC, once you take something out of its vacuum pack, it is used and you cannot send it back. So if you are going to order this, I recommend not ordering directly from Rocky Mountain. Order through Amazon, because they take everything back. Right? I've never had a problem with Amazon taking stuff back. Let's open it up together. Pull out my knife. Today we are going to use a Benchmade Adamas. That's my carry today. And we will open this right up. And just like that, we are open. If you like the Benchmade Adamas, I recommend getting one. This thing is a tank. Okay, let's put the box over here. We have one metal holder. Oh good, they didn't seal these all up. That is one metal holder. That is, they're calling it Star Key here, which means they didn't get the permission to call it a Torx, even though it says Torx on the label. This goes, it says 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 30, 40, 45, and 50. So we'll put that there, and then here are all. Oh, look at that. They gave me a sticker. I don't know. I don't know if I'll put that up or not, given the quality of the last one. We'll see if the quality of this one is better. These cost approximately, I think, $65. That's not a good sign. I don't know what the heck that was. Some kind of garbage. So looking at the 45, You got a 45 here, a 45 here, 45 on the end. The speed handle is aluminum and it has a rough texture so you can get a little grip on it. Whereas like from the Vessel, very, very smooth. This is a rougher texture and obviously it doesn't spin as quickly. Looks like it is held on by two little spring clips, ring clips. Same with the ends here. So when you are moving this, there is a detent on the bottom right there. That's good. That's pretty smooth. I bet if I put a drop of oil under there, it does not feel like to be riding on ball bearings. It's just a sleeve. And that might be helpful. But that going pretty quick. Yeah. There's number one. Next one. All right, we got the 40. Very similar. Goes on, goes all the way to the ends, not coming off. Held on by a spring in a groove. Retainer clip. Oh, that's even smoother than the last one. Very nice. Let's see, that's a 40, so it goes here. Got a little tiny one here. Now, of course, with this being Torx, a lot of Torx bits are expendable, you know, they break on occasion. And I don't know that the warranty is on this. Guess I should look that up. This tiny little one, look how cute that is. Oh wait, I'm a manly tool man and I'm a hardcore biker. We don't look at cute things except for cute chicks. And I don't even look at those anymore since I've been married for 33 years. I just look at my cute wife. Okay. Yes, it's tiny, little 10. Put that here at the end. And what's next? We'll do some 20. Come on. This one has some extra oil on it, and I think the bag is the same size as the T handle. Our 27. Now, if you ride in a Harley, you're going to use a 27. There's even a 27, I think, on my BMW somewhere. Can't remember exactly right off the bat, but whenever I buy Torxes, I always make sure it has a 27 because of my... Spin that around. Oh yeah, that's nice. Because of when I own Harleys, I got to have a 27. All right, here's the 15. Oh, did I already put the 15 in? Maybe I got confused here. That's the 20. This is the 15. Isn't it cute? And this must be the 25. Now this is the one I use all the time on my BMW. That turns nicely. These are not security, they are solid. And finally the big one, the 50. This is big and beefy. And again, something's flaking off there. I don't know what that is. It's probably something that causes cancer in California. Again. Now I thought these would be a little bit bigger than they are, but they work fine, and I suppose if you were in doing that, you know, on this side like this, it's going to work. Now, I don't know how much torque that would really give you. There they all are. The Tusk spinning T-handle wrench set with holder. Again, these are, I believe, around $64. So you got 9 of them there. The Tusk from Rocky Mountain, you can buy these on Amazon. You can buy them directly from Rocky Mountain. Right now, I'm going to say these are a go. These are okay. Much better than this crap they sent. You know, I don't recommend this. You can definitely tell the quality between something made in Taiwan and China, and no, they are not the same. I'll give them a spin, see how they work. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I will see you soon. Thought I had something more to say.